Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar got a slight bump of 0.1% against the yen in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin rose 0.8% against the dollar in the last trading session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The gold dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 3.5% in the last session. The CCI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The US economy added 528,000 jobs in July, which was well beyond the 250,000 economists were expecting. Meanwhile, the national unemployment rate dropped to 3.5% after holding steady at 3.6% for several months. Genesis Digital Assets, one of the leading industrial Bitcoin miners in the US, just acquired an additional 708 megawatts of operating capacity with the potential to scale, per a press release. The euro and Japanese yen held on to most of their overnight gains, having been boosted by US inflation data coming in less hot than feared and sending the dollar tumbling.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production at 0900 hours GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0600 hours GMT. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index will be released at 1400 hours GMT. Finland's current account at 0500 hours GMT. The US Export Price Index at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.